It looks nice.
What's up, guys? So today I am finally getting to do my vision board. I have already a few weeks back picked out the pictures and decided what I wanted to put on my vision board. So today I'm taking some time and I'm going to be adding them to my picture frames. So if you guys would like to just be along this journey with me, then please continue to watch.
I actually picked this frame up from Target. Oh my goodness, look at the lighting. I think it did something. But we gonna work. I saw this idea actually from another YouTuber. Well, the times that I have made a vision board, I just use like a regular, poster board, print out pictures, get my magazine, the regular things you do. But this time, because I want to, switch it up a little bit, I decided to take that idea and get a picture frame, and it will fit my room theme. And I'm praying that the things that I put on my vision board not only benefit me, but benefit those around me as far as my career, as far as finances, as far as my living arrangement, my relationship with the Lord. Okay? There we go. There we go. We're cooking with grace. Put everything on the brown board just so I can line everything up for exactly how I want it to be. Then I'll be back. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I do have on different attire because today is the next day. I did continue to work on the vision board. I'll probably insert some clips of what it looked like before, like doing as I like was rearranging different things on the board, and to what it looks like now. I am so happy with the results of this board. Some of these pieces of I can add behind some pictures. Just to add a little flavor here and there, because I did decide not to add a backdrop to the board. The board, I kept it just the brand that it was. It looks I titled it "Find Joy in the Journey" because this is a new journey that the journey back to her right here, the journey back to Jess. In this picture right here, I did my own makeup, my own hair, I did my own photo shoot. I actually took this picture after my nephew's birthday party. When I came back home, I was like, girl, why you won't just take some pictures? So I set up the backdrop. As you can see my little remote in my hand. And I am sitting on a chair in my room. And I was like, okay, just do it. And I fell in love with those pictures. If you were to go into this area, always remember that you are enough. I feel like a lot of the times I doubted myself on different decisions and things that I wanted to start. And this time around, I want to remember that I am enough. I can do what I set my goal. I can accomplish the goal that I set. this little section right here is my beauty goals. Remember to stay focused on this goal. I feel like this goal is definitely going to take me places because I really have a passion for art and beauty. It is my health journey. This is when I first started. And then this is when I first started printing the pictures off what the before and after. And I have healthy habits on there because it's not just, okay, I want to diet. I want to make healthy choices and develop healthy habits to maintain this good old figure that I'm starting to form. I put this picture on is because doing my weight loss journey, I said, you know what, girl, we got to get on up, okay? We going to get up. We going to get back to the Jess that we remember. And I love brown lip colors, and I love big hair. I love hats. I love jewelry. I love jackets. And when I was doing this photo shoot, this is one of the pictures. I think I was dancing at the moment to music in the background. I was just like, oh, I love this picture. And it reminded me to always smile. Right here is Take Back Your Life. Yes, you can have one on this journey, but I put other people's goals and ambitions before mine because I like to be included in them. If they include me, I like to go on that journey, but this time around, this journey is for Jessica. I have the word just start because I have been on this makeup journey for quite a while on YouTube. These are two of the cameras that I feel like I have 43 subscribers to my channel, and this is what my panel and everything, my banner looks like. These are all the videos I think I currently have on my channel, and I started that journey 3 years ago. I put 100 because I want to give myself 100% at a time. I do want to get to 100 subscribers and to increase my views on those different platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. And I have makeup as my art because I love makeup and art. And here we are.